William Howard on the line, 53 years old from Turner. He's been racing that truck right there for 14 years. Coming up on the tabletop. Now the down drop is the hardest part. That down drop is steep. It has been beating up these tough trucks. Nice finish there from William Howard to 44.02. Next up, Gary Woodruff. If any of you guys out here are off-road racing aficionados, you will know this guy's name. He is the owner of Woody's 4x4. He's been racing for over 35 years. And he's completely local, coming right out of Vancouver. Woo! Style points on his way out. First up, you guys know who it is. He's a crowd favorite. Give it up for the Wildflower! Woo! Oh! Yes! Yes! The orbit of that one. Oh, she's angry. Someone made her mad back there. She's driving like an angry teenager right now. Wait, hold on. She is an angry teenager. It makes sense. 17 years old. She's a member of the National Honor Society. She's being recruited by schools like MIT and Stanford. I'm telling you. We're probably... He's coming up. He's the last truck. Oh! Are you serious? Woo! Buddy. Rose, he is gunning for you, girl. He is gunning for you. To Rosalie Rayner, the man who taught this young lady how it's done. He came out firing at all pitches. Yeah! Oh my gosh! Rose, I don't know what you said. the red flags right now. This man's so good, we should just let him keep running. Time for lies. Wow. You guys say hello to the man with the plan on his way around.